Okay, guys, let us try to understand what is this FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. And what is the use of this FTP? It is used to download and upload the files over the network. Let us say you have one server and it is having some files, file 1, file 2, and file 3. And you want to download these files from the clients. So what you will do, you will use this FTP service. So using this FTP service, you can download the files from the server. Even you can upload the files to the server as well. Let us say this FTP client 1 is having some files, file 3, file 4. So this client can upload this file 4 to the FTP server. And this FTP client 2 can access this file 4 from here. Okay. So it is used to download and upload the files over the network and access it from client. The default port number of this FTP is 21. And the prerequisites for FTP is IIS should be installed and server firewall should be disabled. And we need to create a folder on the server. So we'll go to server, guys. IIS should be installed. We have already installed the IIS, and we'll disable the firewall and we'll create one folder on server. Under this folder, we'll create some files, files 1, file 1, file 2, file 3, etc. Then we will install the FTP server. Okay, this service also required FTP. Like IIS, we have one FTP service. So we need to install it. So you will find under IIS only. So like guys, let us go to the server. And let us close these things. Let me close everything. We'll do it from scratch. So we'll go to server manager. And what was the first prerequisite? IIS must be installed. So we have IIS installed. Okay, it is there. And then we need to disable the firewall. How will you disable the firewall? How will you reach the firewall? You will go to search and you will type firewall.cpl. It will take you to the firewall. It is already disabled. If it is enabled, you will go to turn Windows Defender firewall on or off. And then you will select this option. And then you should click OK. And the third prerequisite is to create the folder. We'll create this folder, FTP, FTP folder. We'll create some files, file 1, file 1, content. We'll add this content and we'll save it. We'll create file 2. File 2 content. We'll create file 3. File 3 content. Folder is also created. We need to install the FTP service. Again, you will go to server manager, add roles and features. You will click next, 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 and you will go to IIS. Under this IIS, you will select this option FTP server. Then you will click next, next, install. It will install the FTP server now. So FTP, it is installed. It is installed successfully. You click close and we'll go to this IAS manager. Okay. Then we'll right click here. You will go to sites. And guys, if you remember previously, we were getting only three options. Now we have add FTP site option as well. Okay, so we need to add FTP site name like FTP 1. We need to give the path of this FTP folder. We'll click OK. Then we'll click next and IP address 10.0.0.1 and no SSL. We'll click next and we'll select this option anonymous basic. Anyone can access it, all users. And with the read write permission. The read write permission means if you give only read, so users can see only the content. They can't upload it. If you select this write option, they can upload the files as well. We'll click finish. Okay, so it is created. Now let us restart this service and we'll try to access this FTP server. Now we'll go to client and how to access it. FTP 10.0.0.1. Let us try to open it with Internet Explorer. Ask me later. So guys, if you observe here, we are getting all the files which we had created. So if you want, you can click this file one. You can see file one content. If you want to check the file two, you can see file two content. And we have file three content. But here guys, we can't upload it. On Internet Explorer or on any Explorer, do you see any upload option here? No, we can't upload it. So to upload the files, you need to open the Windows Explorer. It is Internet Explorer. Okay, you should know the difference. It is Internet Explorer, but we need Windows Explorer to upload the file. So what is this Windows Explorer? You will go to, let us say C. This is a Windows Explorer. So FTP 10.0.0.1. You can see you will get this option here. So you can create any file or folder. Let us create a file and upload it here. servers. This is the client, okay, not the server. So we will create one file for we'll save it and we'll go to where is that option? Yeah, and why it is not moving? Again, drag and drop. Okay, file 4 is there. Now let us try to access using Internet Explorer. You find the fourth file 4 option. Anyhow, it should be updated, guys. Okay, so here, any doubt?
Yes.
Others?
Clear, sir.
It is clear, right?
Yeah, it's clear.
So we'll conclude it here, and we have 1 to 2 classes, okay, and we'll try to finish it up. So please practice a lot. See you guys tomorrow. Take care.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Thank you.
Welcome. Welcome.